Now you will learn how does automated Binance Arbitrage Trading Bot work, how it compares to Binance Smart Arbitrage and other strategies. I will compare those arbitrage opportunities to my recommended Bybit strategy that I use myself and answer your questions from my original Binance Arbitrage Bot video. In the end, I will give you an alternative platform for doing arbitrage trading. First, when you want to start using automated trading bots on Binance, you'll need to create a free account. And I will leave you a link in the description right here below the video where you can get the best welcome rewards on Binance. After clicking my link below, you will land on the Binance registration page where you will see my face, my channel name and the details of your welcome rewards. You will create your free account on the right hand side using your email address, phone number, Google, Apple or Telegram account. All sign up methods are free. And if you want to get even bigger and better welcome bonuses, our subscribers can get them on Bybit platform. As you can see here, you will create your free account and click here get my welcome gifts. They also provide automated trading bots as I will show you in the end of this video. Once you are inside Binance, you will find automated trading bots here on the trade and trading bots. You can also find them on the Binance mobile app. And here you will see Arbitrage Bot, delta neutral strategy to earn funding fee effortlessly. I will explain to you what it means. When you click it, it will open for you this view right here. It may seem quite overwhelming at first, but as you will watch through my video, it's actually pretty simple. First of all, you can choose your trading pair here on the left hand side, and you notice that there are two types of arbitrage bots. There are positive carry and reverse carry arbitrage bot. There is a slight difference between these because with positive carry you will short the asset on perpetual futures. You can see here S perpetuals, and then you will buy the asset on spot. Then the reverse carry does the same the other way around. First it longs the asset, so buys the asset on perpetual futures, and it sells on spot using margin. As a result of doing this, you can earn the funding fee every 8 hours or 4 hours depending on the trading pair. Here is the countdown that shows you when the funding fee will be received. And here this delta neutral simply means that it's price neutral arbitrage strategy, which means that you don't need to care if the price of that asset goes up and down because you are long on the spot and short on the futures. So the price movement is not supposed to affect. The only thing that is supposed to affect is of course the funding fee. Let's have a look what kind of opportunities are here with this arbitrage. If we take a look first on the big coins, for example Bitcoin, Ethereum and the other famous ones, XRP, Litecoin, you notice that the APR is really small. For BTC USDT, slightly over 5%, on the same scale for Ethereum, for XRP close to 0, LTC and TRX around 3%. So that kind of growth doesn't even beat the stock market like S&P 500, and the reason the APR is so low is also that the risk is quite small with these big coins. So they are small risk but also small profit. Now if we click right here twice, you see that for some small and rare altcoins they have the biggest APR but also the biggest risk. And if I show here positive carry, you notice that there is only one that is more than 100% APR. The rest are roughly 20% or less. Most of them below 12%, as you can see here. The biggest opportunities are for the reverse carry, but here the risks are also higher. And now this APR is a little bit misleading in my opinion because it evaluates that based on the last 3 days of the funding fee. That's why it doesn't give a realistic picture of the long term. Let me just give you a simple example. Let's take this Axis versus USDT. Here you can see the reason for the big estimated APR. The price has skyrocketed, and if we take a look at funding rate history, that price jump has also affected the funding fee. You can see with this one, the interval for funding fee is every 1 hour, so that's much more often than for most trading pairs. And you notice that funding fee was negative for some of these moments. Now on the other hand, it's going higher, and here the risk with this reverse carry is that now let's say you do this and you go long on perpetuals. Then if the funding rate continues climbing and it goes positive, then it means that you end up paying money. So you start losing money instead of making money. And that's why this bot requires active management. You cannot just start this bot right here, go to live on the beach for months and years, and then think that this bot will automatically earn for you. You need to manage, because then if funding fee goes positive, you should stop the bot immediately and jump into another opportunity. Let's take a look at another coin example that has a massive funding fee. Frax versus USDT. You can see here there was a massive dip in the funding fee, and now it's going higher again, and soon it will most likely go positive again, and it estimates that APR based on this dip. So this doesn't give you a realistic view of the long-term earnings. You notice here that the interval for funding fee for this one is every 4 hours. For the most famous ones like BTC USDT, it's every 8 hours. Another challenge with these rare altcoins is that if you start doing this with a lot of money, then it may move the price rapidly and you may end up losing. So typically this high APR, it only works for the short term and with small amounts. I think there is a decent opportunity with these bots, but it's not like set and forget. You need to be actively managing these bots, and if you are using the reverse carry, making sure that the funding fee doesn't go positive. Now let's move into the smart arbitrage on Binance, which you can find here on the earn, advanced earn, and here you can see smart arbitrage. The mechanism of making money with smart arbitrage is the same as with the arbitrage bot. It's a funding fee price neutral arbitrage. Here they explain how the system works. It's also low risk and automated. And if we compare these two, arbitrage bot and smart arbitrage, the smart arbitrage is a little bit more automated. Meanwhile, this arbitrage bot gives you a little bit more control. So both of them have their own pros and cons. When you click here for risk, it gives you a good idea of the risk of this funding fee arbitrage. And here is the funding rate reversal that I already explained. The funding rate may change from positive to negative and also from negative to positive. Then of course there is the liquidation risk and also spread risks. So if the price is different on spot and futures, it may affect your returns. Here you can see that smart arbitrage doesn't give you as many opportunities as the arbitrage bot. They have these main coins like BTC, Ethereum and Sol. They may add even more, but you can see here the APR is quite small as well. So this is like a more automated if you would want to aim for a couple of percent, but it's nothing huge. Now let's compare these rates to my recommended strategy, which is focusing on Bitcoin. You can see here the yearly growth of Bitcoin, for example, for 1 year, 2 years, 3 years, all the way to 14 years. And this shows you the year-over-year growth. The lowest, if we take the long term, has been 21% per year. Then we have 24% per year for the last 4 years, and the other ones are higher. 1 year is such a short term, so we don't take that one into account. But of course it gives you an idea that investing should be for the long term, not for the short term. But you notice the differences here. Smart arbitrage 5%, meanwhile Bitcoin directly 21, 29, 23, 72, much higher percentages. So the BTC growth seems to be much faster than most of these arbitrage opportunities that we have seen here. And that's why if you are aiming for maximal growth, I recommend getting Bitcoin directly. And you can do it easily with this Binance Convert Recurring, also known as Binance DCA bot, that you can find here on the trade, convert. Here you can set it up, and here I will show you some example results that have been great. Arbitrage can give you diversification, but don't use it as your primary strategy because it tends to lose to the best one, which is getting Bitcoin directly. And now let me answer your questions from my original Binance Arbitrage Trading Bot video to help you even further. The first topic that people have been asking here is starting with the small capital as a beginner. I'm a beginner, I only have 50 USD. I see you have tons of videos. Can you please recommend copy trading or a bot, and which one for my case? And Daniel also asks the same question. I only have $5 in my Binance wallet, so my question is, what can I start with the $5 on Binance? And my recommendation is the same. Whether you have $5 or $50, start with the convert recurring. So trade, convert and block trade, and here you can start. You can also do the instant conversion from USDT to BTC, and you can also set up this recurring. So here you can put, for example, 5, then you choose BTC, and then you click here preview, you click here confirm, and the bot will be up and running. This is my number one recommendation, and I have numerous videos on my Binance playlist showing you the details and answering all your questions about Binance DCA bot. Another person asked about the availability. I don't have the option Arbitrage bot. What should I do to have this option? And here is also the same question from Andrew Thompson. Can people who live in the UK use this bot? Different countries have different regulations, and if you don't find a specific bot on Binance, I have collected this ultimate guide where you get more than 20 apps for growing your wealth. You will get this as a free gift, and here you will see more than 20 apps in one place. And here you will find for sure great bots and opportunities that are available in your location. So you simply put your email here, click here sign up, and I will send this to you for free to your inbox. The next person asked about this countdown. Natasha says, what does countdown has any role in it? And this countdown is simply the countdown from the funding fee, as it explains here, remaining time till the next funding fee cycle. So that's when you will receive the funding fee or pay if you are on the wrong direction. And as I showed you earlier, different trading pairs have a different interval for each funding fee. The next person asked about the risks. Can you lose your money on Binance Earn? And the answer is yes. You can lose money on Binance Earn and also with any bots. The primary risk is of course the counterparty risk that always exists when you have your money on somebody else, for example on Binance or bank or whatever. And then of course there are additional risks depending on the product. Bernard asks, link to join your group, sir. And I will leave you a link in the description where you can join my Telegram group where you can chat with me and our other subscribers. The next one asked, sir, does Bybit have spread arbitrage? Also, do you have a video for spread arbitrage in OKX? Thank you, sir. And yes, I have videos for both OKX and Bybit. Here on the OKX Trading Bots, you will find arbitrage strategies. For example, here arbitrage, capitalize on price differences, and here we have the Bybit spread trading where you can earn returns based on the spread on different assets. For example, here different price on spot and perpetual, and you can benefit from that. And I can highly recommend using Bybit for several reasons. First of all, since you are interested in automated trading, Bybit provides automated trading bots right here. They also provide a Bybit card that you can use to spend your crypto easily in real life, earn nice rewards, and get also other benefits. Bybit also have the best welcome rewards in the industry for our subscribers. And their trading platform is slightly easier to use compared to Binance. I will leave you a direct link in the description for Bybit as well, so you can get started immediately.